Good morning. My name is Emily Davidson, and today I will be going through your 2019 wellness program with you. So I'll be going through the tiered program, talking about incentives, and then also walking through the Creo Wellness app, which is where your program will be listed and where you can keep up with all of your important health data. Your incentive wellness program is made up of a yearly biometric screening, quarterly on-site visits, a smartphone app where you can track your important health data and join and participate in quarterly challenges, and health coaching. And your program will run for an entire year, and there are 3 tiers to each program, and each tier will have a different reward associated with it. So in the Creo app, you're trying to reach higher levels by earning points. And there are 3 different ways you can earn points and level up. One is to read or watch content from the action library. 2 is to set and achieve goals. And 3 is to complete to-dos that will be pushed out to you. So here we have your program outline with all of the tiers listed. So to complete Tier 1, you would need to complete your biometric screening, complete your health risk assessment, reach level 8 in the app, and participate in a quarterly challenge. To complete Tier 2, you would need to attend an on-site visit, reach level 15 in the app, and participate in a second quarterly challenge. For Tier 3, you would need to attend a second on-site visit, reach level 20 in the app, and participate in a third quarterly challenge. And each tier has a reward associated with it, and those will be announced at a later time. So now I'm going to talk to you about the Creo app, which is the wellness app you will be using with your program. So your program will be listed here, and this is also where you can earn points by reading health articles. You can track your important health information like steps and nutrition. You can talk with the health coach and much, much more. Upon your first login in Creo, you will be required to take a health risk assessment. And once you complete that assessment, you'll be shown your health risk. So each risk category has a specific message attached based on the severity of the risk. And at the bottom of your risk profile, you'll be prompted to continue to the dashboard. Once you see the dashboard, it will welcome you to Creo and encourage you to collect points for completing the health risk assessment and your biometric screening or blood draw. Click Get Started and then choose to collect points by clicking on the Collect button. Collecting these points will bring you to level 1. So here we're continuing with the dashboard and the dashboard content. So you'll find risk-related content on the dashboard, and beneath each risk category is content specific to that risk pattern. Clicking on the content will open it in the library. The small blue arc to the right of the title is a visual depiction of the points achievable by reading this content. After reading the article, you will be prompted to send feedback on the article. By doing so, you are able to collect points and add to your current level. Just below your level on the dashboard is where you'll find the leaderboard, and this is where you can see the 3 people above and below you and the corresponding level. If you click on View Top Ranked, you will see the gold, silver, and bronze winners. Just below the leaderboard is a recommended to-do, which has been selected by the system based on your risk profile. Clicking on the to-do opens a new screen where you can say that you did the to-do, and you can see an example of some of the to-dos to the left here. So by clicking on View More, all the system to-dos will be displayed. Clicking to-dos and attesting that they are complete is another great way to gain points. So now we're going to talk about goals. Goals are the fastest and most effective way to gain points and level up in Creo. You can set a goal by clicking the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the following pages in your app: Dashboard, Action Library, Health Diary, My Coach, and Rewards, as you can see on the left. The point of Creo is to build better habits that make you healthier, and so goals are the heart of the program. Goals have 2 components: difficulty and duration. The longer you do something, the more difficult it becomes and the more points you will gain. Therefore, they are the best way to accelerate your game. Once you click on the plus sign in the top right corner, you will choose a goal that displays based on your health risk, or you can choose View More to see the entire list. In the example below, I chose to write in a journal. So I chose my duration to be 2 weeks and setting my duration to 2 weeks up to my end goal to level 10. So every day I will go into the app and click I did this and make sure to click Get Started from there. In the top left corner of the screen, you can open the navigation bar. The navigation bar will give you access to your action library, risk profile, screening results, health diary, a health coach, your rewards and program, and your settings. So now we'll move on to the action library, which again can be accessed through the navigation bar. The Action Library contains all content available, which includes articles, audio, and video content. You can choose to see the articles recommended for you based on your risk profile or select from other categories. Reading or watching any content will contribute 25 points to your score. Just be aware that once you read it, it can't be read again. Make sure when you finish consuming the content that you comment about whether the material was helpful. Clicking this button allows you to collect the points and will prompt you back to the dashboard to collect. Clicking on Screening Results opens a page that shows lab results per value, including whether the result was normal, slightly abnormal, or very abnormal. The results are grouped by a risk pattern so that you can begin to understand how the lab results impact your risk. By clicking the cloud icon in the top right, you will receive a link via email to download your lab report so that you can print it and take it to your physician. If you have no results, you will see a message indicating that you have no results to display. If the results are partial, each result that is missing a value displays missing in the place of a result. To the right, you'll see a picture of your health diary. Within the health diary, you can enter and track various data related to your health. This includes sleep, exercise, nutrition, weight, stress, medicine, water, and tobacco. By clicking on History at the top left, you can view ongoing data that you have previously entered. At the bottom of the health diary under Device, you can link various health apps and devices by logging into your account. One of the great benefits of Creo is that each person will be assigned to a health coach. You're able to communicate with your health coach through the chat message functionality under My Coach by entering a message at the bottom of the screen. This would be where you can contact your health coach and ask to set up an appointment. Under the Rewards screen, you can view the tiers of your program and the rewards you are eligible for. Once you are able to redeem the reward, the button turns blue. When you click on the reward, the details display, including the description and the requirements of redeeming the reward. You can then select Redeem at the bottom of the page, and your name will display in your admin's dashboard, indicating that you are eligible for the reward.